Using the export function on WordTracker provides you with an Excel spreadsheet of all the keyword data that you've added to a project. So as you can see, the keywords are listed in the first column, and then we have our search counts, competition, keyword in the index, and also you can get all the other information from the other tools, such as what's the average cost per click in Google, how much is mobile, desktop, those types of things. What this allows you to do is now work with the keyword data inside of a spreadsheet, and there are a lot of things that we can do here. I'm going to demonstrate one or two for you so that you can utilize these as research projects, as exercises to get the most out of your keywords. Now, if we're going to use AI, and this is something that over the past couple of months I've been experimenting with, it's a great way to get a start on keywords. Let me just say that this is not a replacement for actual human interaction with keywords. I still like getting in and working with the keywords to create a matrix, to create a better understanding, to get a deep level of knowledge about the keywords. However, we can use AI as an additional tool to help you get started and to give you more ideas. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, the first thing is, if I'm going to put this into AI, it needs to be in a text format. It can't be in unless you have an upgraded version of ChatGPT or some of the others, it won't take the Excel spreadsheet. So you might need to do some manipulation. If you want to use the public version of ChatGPT, I'll show you what to do. First of all, I am going to delete just about everything on here because all I want is the main keywords. That's all I want. I don't even want the regular counts or anything like that. This is all I want, this primary column, and I'm going to get rid of keyword there. And now I'm going to delete that. Now column A, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to export. And what I'm going to do is change that, and I'm going to put it into a tab delimited, so a text format. This is going to be important as we look at how to include this into ChatGPT. And as you can see, I'm going to export it as a text file, and we'll put it here. And as you can see, I've generated one already, so we're going to use that one. At this next stage, here's where you can see the text export of all the keywords. So we've got them in a notepad list, and they're just one right after the other. This makes it easy now to import into another program. Now, if you're using just, and this is just to use the free version of ChatGPT. Like I said, if you've upgraded, you can probably add additional formats, additional methods of doing that. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to drop that out. And what's going to happen is I'm going to take this keyword list, and here is a ChatGPT prompt splitter. If you've been using ChatGPT, you know that there is a limit to how many characters you can upload or type into ChatGPT. What this is going to do is it's got my list of about 2,000 keywords, and I am going to take my list, I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. And what this is going to do, it has looked to see how many characters there are, and it's going to automatically split this list into 4 parts. Now, here's the magic of this splitter. It gives you all the parts here, and all you need to do is copy. So first, there are instructions. Copy the instructions. Then go to your ChatGPT and paste the instructions inside the text bar. And what this is telling ChatGPT is we're going to be sending a multi-part instruction and multi-part document for it to analyze. So now I go back to the splitter, I copy part 1, and paste. Copy part 2, and paste. And we'll do that with the other parts as well. We've uploaded all these words. Now what can we do with them? We can ask ChatGPT to organize the keywords. Now I'm going to ask you to do this manually and just build your own list because I want you to compare, because ChatGPT does create hallucinations, all right? So the only way you know it's done right is by doing it manually and verifying this. So I always recommend do it manually, but also you can use ChatGPT. Like I said, it's a beginning, it's an addition, it is one of the tools, it is not the only tool. So I'm going to add instructions. I'm going to ask to organize these keywords by topic, intent, location, pain points, immediacy, or other relevant categories. And then I'm going to ask it to create a label that describes each group. Now here we can see it's going to start organizing based on the keywords we've uploaded. Dog training methods, service dog training, training that is location or regional, dog behavior and health, dog breeds, equipment and tools. Now we're going to get a list on intent, specific training, behavior modification, puppies versus dogs, pain points, stubborn dog, a fearful dog, dog behavioral issues, and then immediacy. These are the ones where people are saying, help, I need help right now. And so we can see the immediate training needs and the urgent training issues. So this is a great way of starting to build topical lists based on thousands of keywords that you've added into your plan. Now, something else you can do is ask ChatGPT if there's anything extra that they would add. I like this one. What other observations about the intent signals of these keywords? I want to know if there's anything that maybe could be drawn from this that I'm not seeing. So it's going to work through that, and here we go. We're going to see a variety in training goals. The emphasis is on problem solving, specialized training methods, location, equipment, urgency, specialized training areas, behavioral concerns. So now, not just do we have a list, we've got a little bit of explanation about what people are looking for. We can get a sense of intent and understanding the application of each of these groups. So it's a great way to just add a little bit extra to see what ChatGPT might come up with. Now, something else you can do is start digging into each category. So I'm going to look at dog behaviors, and let's add an instruction to create an organized list based on dog behaviors. This has come up frequently. So let's dive in and see what we can learn. And now, based on the keyword list that we added, we are now getting more in depth. So for the behavioral issues, we're now getting very specific problems that showed up in the keywords. And so, as you can see, this is a great tool for digging in, understanding a little bit more about how you can get the most out of the keywords when we're trying to find intent. This is so valuable when you are optimizing a large site and you need to know what are all the ways that people are searching for and the words they use. But also if you're creating intent, creating ads, writing emails, this enables you to understand the real concerns people have and to dig into those and find where are the pain points? What is it that people want to know? So use AI, again, as a tool, as one of your tools for keywords, but I'm looking forward to see where the technology goes, how it can enable us to dig even deeper and understand some of the motivations behind these words.